Du Chan, who had never seen paddy fields or live ducks before she came to pursue her postgraduate study at Huazhong Agricultural University in central China's Hubei province, is now an expert of rice. In the past 5 years, the 28-year-old spent over 300 days a year at Hubei Shantao Ratun Rice Science-tek Station, exploring the co-culture system of ratun rice and ducks, an agricultural technique that can boost crop yield with minimal environmental impact. Her research has been promoted to many places in Shantao City, helping farmers increase more than 45,000 yuan per hectare a year while reducing the use of pesticide and fertilizer. Founded 10 years ago, the Science-tek Station where Du works has evolved into a bridge connecting agronomy students needing field research and farmers lacking access to advanced technologies.
科技小院的设立的话，拉近了在校的师生和农民的这种比较密切的关系。原来的话，农户的话认识一个教授的话，觉得很陌生、很遥远。现在每天都可以见到研究生，这样的话，农户的话对知识的渴望性就是更加这种迫切，觉得知识带给了自己这种生产的力量。
我们希望能够真正把论文写在大地上。我们的科学问题是从田间地头、从农户身上实际中得出来，然后通过我们研究解决、反馈指导农业生产，使很多的一些技术成果呢能够落地，能够转化为现实生产力。
Figures show that the number of rural stations of science and technology has exceeded 1,000 across China, providing a new model for scientific research, social services, personnel training, and agricultural development.